Have you ever wondered which was the first commercial aircraft and how it came about? By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of commercial aircraft and their evolution over the years. Commercial airplanes are aircraft designed to transport passengers and cargo for a profit. They are primarily used by airlines to provide scheduled air travel services. Built for efficiency and safety, these planes play a huge role in global connectivity, enabling quick and convenient long-distance travel across countries and continents. Commercial aircraft can transport passengers and cargo through scheduled airline services where airlines define the exact routes and schedules of their fleet. These aircraft operate on both national and international flights, adhering to strict efficiency and safety standards. They are optimized for low-cost operation with low fuel consumption and high payload capacity, ensuring that airlines can offer affordable tickets while maximizing revenue from both passenger and freight transport. The primary goal of commercial aircraft is to balance operational costs with performance, safety, reliability, and profitability in a very highly competitive industry. The image that you can see here on the top is a Tupolev Tu-114, a Soviet-era aircraft that was notable for its ability to carry a large number of passengers on long-distance national and international flights. The Tu-114 was served as a common aircraft for the Soviet airline Aeroflot during the 1960s and 1970s. This aircraft is an example of an early-era commercial aircraft, where airlines defined the routes of their fleet based on the capabilities and limitations of the aircraft. In contrast, the Airbus A380 represents modern commercial aviation, optimized for low cost, low fuel consumption, and high payload capacity. The A380 is the world's largest passenger airliner, designed to carry up to 850 passengers. This aircraft is a key example of how commercial airplanes are optimized to meet the demands of both airliners and passengers, balancing cost effectiveness with the need for comfort. But let's get into the history of commercial aircraft. The first airliner fixed-wing aircraft was introduced by the St. Petersburg-Tampa airboat line in 1913. This marked the beginning of scheduled airline services, a critical step in the development of commercial aviation. The St. Petersburg-Tampa airboat line operated the first commercial flight across Tampa Bay, a very early commercial aircraft venture. In 1919, two of the world's oldest airlines, KLM and Avianca, were established, both of which are still in operation today. This year marks a significant point in aviation history, because 1919 represents the emergence of airlines that would go on to play major roles in global air travel. Commercial aircraft before World War II were primarily limited to short flights and smaller passenger loads. However, the post-World War II era saw a rapid expansion of commercial aviation as engines, materials, and aircraft technology advanced and the demand for commercial air travel grew. One of the most iconic commercial aircraft of this period is the Douglas DC-3. First flown in 1935, the DC-3 revolutionized air travel with its reliability, range, and capacity, becoming the backbone of many airlines. Its introduction significantly expanded the commercial business allowing airlines to offer more frequent and longer flights. Let's now discuss these three jetliners. First, the Airbus A320, which is one of the most successful commercial aircraft ever produced. Introduced in the late 1980s, the A320's design has made it a preferred choice for short to medium haul flights, and it remains one of the most widely used aircraft in the world. It's the equivalent to the American Boeing 737. Next, at the bottom, we have the Aerospace BAC Concorde, an icon of supersonic flight. The Concorde, which began commercial services in 1976, could fly at twice the speed of sound, dramatically reducing transatlantic flight times. Its delta-wing design and powerful afterburning engines enabled this remarkable speed, although its high operating costs and environmental concerns ultimately led to its retirement in 2003. The Concorde remains a symbol of advanced aeronautical engineering and the peak of supersonic passenger travel. We also have a dedicated video explaining the history, technology, and main features of this aircraft. Specifically, we talk about the engine design, the delta wing configuration, the aerodynamics, and more. Finally, on the right, we see the Boeing 787, also known as the Dreamliner. Introduced in the 2010s, the 787 represents a significant leap in fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. Its design incorporates advanced composite materials, which reduce weight and improve fuel consumption, while also allowing for higher cabin pressure and humidity, enhancing passenger experience. The Boeing 787's innovative design has set new standards for long-haul commercial flights. In conclusion, commercial airplanes are designed for the efficient and safe transportation of passengers and cargo, providing essential services for global connectivity and enabling airlines to operate scheduled national and international flights. From the early KLM and Avianca Airlines Foundation to today's efficient Airbus A320 and Boeing 787, commercial airplanes have achieved a good balance between cost-effectiveness with advanced technology to meet the demands of today's air travel. In the next video, we will discuss military aircraft.